This is the song we will create in this tutorial with Suno AI.
Ride the rhythm, infinite sky, binary dreams where the planets fly. Loop the pulse, never say goodbye. We are forever digit.
Alright, so welcome back to AI Beginner's Circle. In the last episode, we built DJ Infinite Multiverse's brand identity. Now it's time to give him his sound. Today, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT and Suno AI to create your first original AI track. So first, we're going to start off in ChatGPT, and you want to describe your artist's sound and genre. So let's see, we're going to put in something like describe a futuristic electronic artist who combines cyberpunk atmosphere with cinematic bass and digital textures. And we get back some information, looks like it gives it a little backstory and everything. Look. Futuristic artist with cyberpunk atmosphere with cinematic bass and digital textures. This performer thrives in neon-lit dystopia where technology and motion collide. On stage, the artist performs as a digital phantom surrounded by holographic projections, immersive LED panels, and augmented reality visuals that react to the music in real time. Alright, so it also, as you see, it starts giving you suggestions, as ChatGPT always do, but we do not need a name or visual style. So you could also go this way if you wanted to start with the digital identity. You could start that way, and then it'll help you start building a character's name, visual guide, and that sort of thing. But we've already designed the character, and we're just starting their musical identity. So now we're gonna generate the next prompt to write lyrics based off a prompt. I typed in, generate a song with minimal lyrics and chorus describing a journey through digital galaxies with themes of infinity and rhythm. Use repetitive catchphrases that rhyme rather than full verses. Let's see what that gives us. Alright, so it says, here's a minimal lyric cyber cinematic track concept built entirely around our repetition, rhythm, and digital imagery. Perfect for futuristic artists like DJ Infinite Multiverse or similar personas. So it senses where I'm going with this. So we have the title of the song, which is Digital Galaxies Infinity Flow. The style is futuristic, electronic, cinematic bass, cyber ambient rhythm, 98 beats per minute, key is in A minor. Lyrics. Alright, not sure what it's going with here, but we'll see. Alright, let's see. Would you like me to format this into a full song production sheet next, including section timing, intro, drop bridge, outro, sound design cues, synth bass layers, vocal effects, and open-end props for the visualizer or cover? We are going to say yes, and give me a formatted version to paste straight into Suno AI. Now, you don't have to go with exactly what ChatGPT gives you. You may want to go through here and adjust some of the lyrics, or you could just use it as an outline or a brainstorm to get you started. But for the sake of this video, I am just gonna copy and paste just so we can keep moving, okay? And then it's also giving me some options to if I want to do some remixes and same thing as things like that. But we're not going to do all that. We're just going to go ahead and use what we have so far, all right? And also notice that along with giving me suggestions for a remix and the production style for Suno, it also gives me a prompt to create a single art, a song cover. A CD cover is what we used to call them. I don't know what they call them now that we don't use CDs anymore. I guess it's just the single cover, or the let's just say the artistic cover for the song. So once you start using ChatGPT more and it knows what you're doing or what you're using, it knows which system I'm going to use OpenArt to do my images, so it's giving me an option for that as well. But for now, let's go ahead and go over to Suno. Now that we have our lyrics, we're going to start to build it in Suno AI. So we go to Suno AI. I already have it blank. If you don't though, you would just hit create right here, or there would be, if you've already started a song, there would be a trash icon down here for you to clear it. Alright, so we are gonna start with the lyrics. And we are just going to copy and paste those into the lyrics. The style we're going to use, this is what it gave us here: futuristic electronic, cinematic bass, cyber ambient rhythm. Think I want to use some of what it gave me down here with the production prop for music style. I like some of the things it put down here: cinematic electronic track with heavy bass, digital textures, cyber part, where it's like, it's kind of describing it. But the part we're put right here, inspired by Daft Punk, Reyes, Hans Zimmer fusion, we're likely gonna leave that out. Suno does not like you using real names of real musicians. It will not generate the song if it recognizes the name of a musician used in the details. So I'm gonna just not use that part, but I'm use everything else it gave me. We want to let it know that the artist is a male. And then we need to drop in the song title. I don't know why the song title's all way at the bottom, but that's the layout in Suno. So now we have the song title here. Alright, so we entered the lyrics, we entered the style, we entered the gender, and we entered the title. And now we hit create. And here we have it generating. Suno will generate 2 songs for you to choose from. Alright, see, it even gives us some imagery based off the title, and we'll just give that a minute. So, now that it's generated the 2 songs, we'll give them both a listen, and then you decide which one you like the best.
Signal rise, infinity, synchronized. Ride the rhythm, infinite sky, binary dreams with the planets fly. Loop the pulse, never say goodbye. We are forever. DJ high. dreams where the planets fly. Loop the pulse, never say goodbye. We are forever digit high.
Alright, so that's a little bit of option number 1. Let's see option number 2.
Forever digit high.
Alright, so that's the 2 options it gave us. You can, if you don't like either one, you can redo it. If you just want to make some edits to the one and keep one or the other, and just to keep that version but just make some changes, you can do that. I won't get into all that right now. But for now, I think I like number 1. So what I do is I hit a thumbs up on it so I could remember to come back to it later. Then you're going to download. And it's up to you if you want MP3 or WAV. If I was going to do something further to it, like some heavy mixing, mastering, or make any really adjustments in my digital audio workstation, I would download it as WAV. But since I'm probably just going to publish it like on YouTube for the tutorial, I'm just going to download it as an MP3. Alright? And there, your AI artist has a sound and style. Next episode, we'll start creating the visuals for the AI music video.